So guys, this is my new dresser, and as you have seen that I was exploring in Ikea. This is the kilberget. I don't know how to pronounce this name, but this is 6 drawers, and it is going to be here, perfectly fit. I was looking for 63-inch, but the space is 62-inch. So just for 1 inch, I missed many of the reasonable purchase, these dresses which are available in Ikea. But just because of 1 inch, I couldn't bring that one. And which I already took now is 59-inch wide. So let's open this and assemble. It will take time. I don't know how easy it is. Here I have started my work. This is 2 small wooden pieces, and this was pre-attached. I just started with this holders to fill in the gap and then assembling as per instruction. I'm not recording the whole video because I know it is going to take my whole day, as I'm going to work alone on this, and including some other daily household activity. My kids will be coming from school now, so I have to give them lunch, so it will be a breakup work, and that's the reason I'm not recording it whole. I'll see you once the dresser is ready. So now so far I'm here. I have opened only one box, got 2 boxes, but opened only one box which was tagged as number 1, and from those I have removed these parts. This should be 3-piece, but I have only found 2-piece right now. One is, I guess, in the box. And then I have these railings. So actually these railings are stick like this with the tape, and there is 2 set, for 1 set for the right side and 1 set for the left side, you can see. And from 1 set I have removed 1 piece and attached over here on the wood, and the other piece is on the floor, same that side. 1 piece attached on the wood and the other one is over there. And now I'm putting up screw, which is in this packet, you can see. So over here it's mentioned with the right and left, you can see. In this one you can see, sorry I can't show you clearly, but it is mentioned L over here, and over here too it's here L. So this is the left side part, and this side is mentioned with R, so it is right side part. So now I will be putting up these screws, and then later on I'll check what is the next step. After attaching all 3 pieces of the rail parts, I have screwed this part as well, and now I need to grab another 3rd wooden piece which shows here, and need to attach the other 3 rails as well. Of rails. So guys, this much is ready. We have this legs cover to put. This is the leg cover. Just push and press. These were the screws and nuts inside to put here on the back side of the board. Front side, what I have done is, these are the back down part of the table, and this was the center one, which I said center one has both side railings, so 3 drawers can fit here, 3 can fit here. And this is the white one which should be at front, this is the brown one which should be behind, and the larger one is the top part, which is down right now, and I'm going to flip this table now. So now after putting it to the front side, we are using this one, and this will go in these holes as a clip, tight. This one. And this part will go in that one and it will lock. So I have to check how it will go, like this. So guys, this is ready. Started around 3 o'clock and now it is 8 p.m. so took so many hours, but I'm happy to see this, and I will be placing it over there.